Seventh one, write a Python program to find sequence of lowercase letter joined by an underscore. Okay, so lowercase letter joined by an underscore should be there between the two lowercase letters. Okay, you have to write a pattern like that. So just check the here pattern. So everything should be in between starting and beginning, starting and ending. So starting sentence, starting keyword is this one, and ending is dollar here. Okay, ending one as a dollar. In between should be lowercase letter. Okay, lowercase letter, we have to write in a square brackets plus underscore here again, A to Z. Okay, plus, right, this one underscore between lowercase letters there should be an underscore here. Okay, between the first and last letter. Simple, just execute the output here, enter string. So A underscore B, true here. Okay, suppose if you write in capital letters, observe here, A underscore caps A, false, because it only allows lowercase letter. Okay, A to Z plus means lowercase letter. You can write here like this also, AB underscore AB. Sorry, I just execute again, enter string AB underscore AB. See, true here. Okay, if you write in plus, because multiple letters are allowed, multiple letters between, but the underscore before underscore and after score should be lowercase letters. That's the program here. Okay, so if you like, you have to write this one, A to Z plus, A to Z plus. This R and dollar symbol means beginning, R means beginning, dollar means ending here. Okay, that's the pattern here.